Hey guys, Hallie again today, and we're going to do something I've been wanting to do the truck for a long time, but I've been too lazy to do. We're finally going to finish the project of how to tie down stuff on the back seat. I'll show you guys what we're going to do. Come check it out. What?
Am I going to have to hear you talking to yourself?
Yeah, why?
Seriously, I better not be on fucking camera. I'm over here working in my PJs.
I got a great shot of Millie.
Okay.
Got it, hun.
And I don't plan on...
It's not about you, Jen. It's about the YouTube audience. So if you guys remember, a while back, we installed this rail so we can secure stuff in the back seat. Problem is, there's nowhere to secure on this side. Nothing. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the bolts that are used to secure the actual seats in place. We're going to install some D-rings on there. And we got a little net that we're going to try out to see if this is going to be good. It's a little Pro Storage Switch, whatever. We're going to try to find all this stuff on Amazon. We'll link it up there. But yeah, we're going to give this a try, see if it works. The first step is we need to pop those off. We need to do a quick test fit, see how it's going to go. So to do that, just get a pry tool, pop it in from the bottom, and make sure you do it from the bottom. And they pop off. And see, that's how they go. Okay, now we're going to store these in the door for now, but eventually we'll probably end up putting these somewhere so we don't lose them. So these are the D-rings that we got. We may have to drill these out to fit that bolt. Trying to figure out what's the best way they're going to fit. They might be a little obstructed there, but we'll figure out the best spot. Also, so they don't make a ton of noise. Oh, and this right here is a half-inch bolt. You can either use a half-inch or half-inch socket. I mean, either use a half-inch or a 13mm to get it out. These are not that tight. I was expecting these fuckers to be torqued down, but they're not. Holy crap. Not that tight. Look at how dirty that is. We're gonna have to get a middle brush? Yeah, we're gonna have to get a middle brush to clean it off. And we're gonna have to drill them out too. There we go.
4 more, right? Well, 3 more.
3 more. Ethan.
Yes.
Clean them up. Now before we put these back in, see how dirty that is? We need to clean this off. So we're going to get our wire brush and clean this off before we put this all back in. Comes the fun part, figuring out how this is going to sit in there, because it is going to be a tight fit. That's what she said. It's not lining up. There we go. She's going in, I think, maybe. Evenly? We'll see. Alright, Dad, what torque spec do we need for this? I don't know. I tried to find a torque spec for this thing, but I couldn't find anything anywhere. So, I guess there's no torque spec. Guten tape?
There is.
Are we going to put felt tape on that? Yeah, we're going to have to. I think that's the only thing that sucks is if this gets all loud. Alright, and we're going to go German standard. Guten tape. Guten tape. Alright, there she is. Now on this one, I'm going to put a little felt tape there because I don't like rattles. Hopefully reduce the noise. I'm going to clean this fucking thing off. It's a lot of dust. Yeah, these are sitting under the truck. No. Not going in? And these 2 funky things that I found. Hopefully that's enough. What the hell?
Why?
Let's see. Dad, let's get a video of the bolt and your spacer idea.
Oh.
The hell is wrong with you?
That's a 5-topping pizza.
I know it's not the best option, but
Is it gonna work?
We're about to find out.
That's gonna stick out like a Thor thumb.
A what?
A sore thumb.
A Thor thumb?
Sore.
You said Thor.
No, I didn't.
You said Thor thumb.
No, I didn't. That's gonna stick out like a Thor thumb. Thor thumb. Thor thumb. Didn't you even move the seat up?
Yes, please.
Better? Oh my god, so much.
Is it actually gonna work? We're about to find out, bud. It's gonna be tight. That's what she said. It's nice and tight. That many spacers. Shut up. It'll work.
You have to do the same thing on this side, don't you?
Why is that out? Get back in there.
That's what she said.
Clean this up. This one's not so bad. The other side was really bad.
Alright, Dad's got to put his spacers on.
My million spacers.
Is that gluten tight?
It feels good and tight. Look how dirty that And again, German standard. Good and tight.
Gluten tight.
Now this is the cargo net we decided to buy. It's a 15 by 30. I don't want to go too big. Wanted to have something that has some stretch in it. So let's give it a try. So this is it. It's a small net. It's got 6 hooks. The idea is to go from one side to the other. So let's try it out. See there, okay? Small net. And the idea is it'll fit a cooler. There you go. Now we don't have to worry about this thing flying all over the place.
We can do the off-road test.
We got our 4 hooks here. We don't have a hook in that corner. So that's what we got to figure out next, how to get something over there. What we're going to do is going to take one of these bolts. We don't need it because we're already using it here. And we're going to leverage one of these bolts here to hold our net. This is an 8mm.
That was easy.
She is.
What are you gonna store here?
Well, all of our junk is going to go in here. I just don't want it to fly all over the place like it normally does. So there you guys go. There is our net system. So normally this is full of, you know, bags and stuff like that, coolers. So now we're going to have our coolers and everything secured, and hopefully it doesn't fly all over the place. Alright guys, hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out our other video on how we did that little custom piece. Or you guys can also get the built right base that goes under there. The underseat base also works pretty good for this situation. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Put any comments or questions down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one.